I'm very excited. The only time I got this excited when I got 74 rand back from the taxman last year. Shelbourne under 15A, let me tell you now, unbeaten side since their last game. Having a fundraiser at the Surf Life-Saving Shack, Saturday PM, English London, by the Surf Life-Saving Shack at 4 PM to raise rand for the money for another tour. Yes, I said it, another tour. Nobody in English London plays water polo. They all travel. Now listen, so there'll be a band. By Lifesaver Shack, there'll be a band, Raised on the Rhythm. These oaks apparently are like next level. The one oak's got his own guitar, and the other guy does air guitar. He's useless. He's just basically, he's the guy's brother, so he doesn't do anything. But anyway, we've got spit rails, there's auctions. You can auction, you can win things at the auction. We've got rusted screwdrivers, broken PlayStations. There's one of those, remember, back in the old days, you used to put your washing machine in that tumble dryer thing and you turned it with a hand. We got one like that, but it hasn't got a handle. So auction spit rolls made with real spit. The rugby will be there on one moorse big screen. Tell you, it makes Tekeniko screens look like a black and white clock radio. So come there from 4 o'clock, anybody. Even if you're retarded, you are welcome to come here. We're going to have a chop and top. There'll be proper flesh meat. The one guy there is donating all these cows with foot and mouth. He's donating them for the spit. So make sure you bring Valoid for vomiting. But anyway, guys, it's going to be like a Joel. Anybody's invited. The guys from Cambridge, Stirling, Basil, McClelland, De Vos, Milan, Queensdale, not Hudson. If you come, you're not allowed to wear your Springbok jerseys because you're still in the dog box from what you did to our first team. But guys, if you support it's not even my function. You support this function, I will support your function. So we have a lekker chop and dop. We're going to sing the stem. We're going to sing American anthem, God Save the Queen, King Philip, Harry, Meghan. We're gonna sing to everybody. I'm telling you now. And then if the cards go right, there'll be a bowl there for us to put our keys in. The oak who has his key drawn gets to watch me run naked on the beach at 12 o'clock in the PM. Okay guys, see you on Saturday. Be there or be a rhombus.